That's just a quick example of how investing works. So people think you got to, when it comes to investing, you got to check graphs every day. You got to be this. Like, stop basing everything off of what you see on social media. There's a difference between investing and trading. Trading, you don't have to care as much about the company. You just got to figure out their patterns so you can make short-term monetary gains. The time difference between that is like trading could be day to day, week to week, month to month. Investing means you're holding your money in that company because you believe in that company and you'll hold it for at least a year. If you don't hold it for at least a year, it does not count as investing. So really take the time to like look into stuff. Like invest in yourself, whether it be a book, whether it be a course, whether it be with me. It don't gotta be with me. Just take the time and due diligence to really understand what you're about to get yourself into. Instead of just asking these questions, because to someone that understands investing, the questions y'all be asking like don't make sense. Y'all ask like, what stock should I get into? And in my head, I'm like, I don't know how much money you're working with. I don't know what you're comfortable doing. I don't know if you want to trade or invest. I don't know if you're just hyped to put your money into something you see other people posting about it. So I can't dictate that. So I always tell people like, put the money up what you're comfortable losing. When it comes to trading, I've had days where I made $3,000 in 30 minutes, and I've had days where I've lost over 17,000. Like, what are you comfortable doing with your money? Then when it comes to investing, I've made. I'm not even gonna talk about that because some of y'all be pocket watchers. But if you know, you know. But that's what I'm trying to say. Like, come down. And some of those naive questions was like part of the reason I even took a break from social media, like the other month. Like, I'd be tired of naive questions. I'd be tired of like people wanting to do small talk. Like I'm at a stage in my life where like I gotta, even small talk has to be geared towards what I'm chasing after. You see what I'm saying? So at the same time, I do understand like the gift I have when it comes to investing, and like I want to see people that come from where I come from be able to leave a legacy for their kids. I don't want it to be like our parents that went through that generation where it was like work till you're 60 and that's it, and start the whole process over. You see what I'm saying? We got to leave things, and we got to leave things of value, because the Azul bottles and Dior Chucks is not going to help your kids in the future. And don't get me wrong, I like nice stuff as much as the next guy. But there's nothing I love more than making my money work for me, if that makes sense.